Practicing yoga calms the nervous system, relaxes our muscles and mental synapses even when our addictive nature is triggered. In yoga practice, when we commit to a pose, we are asked to remain present in often uncomfortable sensations for mind and body. Learning how to remain present and working through these uncomfortable positions will help people break free of addictive behaviors. Here are 5 such yoga poses which can assist the process of overcoming addiction. Padahastasana or standing forward fold. Padahastasana is a forward bend asana that is extremely beneficial for people suffering from problems associated with the throat and nasal regions. The digestive organs can be toned by regularly practicing this asana, which ensures the well-functioning of the liver and spleen. Padahastasana is extremely effective for removing abdominal fat. Paschimottanasana or seated forward bend. Paschimottanasana is well known for its utility in dealing with anxiety and panic within the body. Paschimottanasana helps to increase blood circulation and energize the cells of the entire body, especially the mind. Thus, it is quite effective for stress, anxiety, depression, and helping to bring about a state of meditation. Hold the pose for 10 breaths. Virabhadrasana or warrior pose. This asana allows the air to go in greater quantity through the nasal passages and exerts deep pressure on the diaphragm through the throat. This helps in increasing oxygen flow into the blood. This pose also stretches and releases tension from the shoulders almost immediately and cures spasms of the shoulders. Hold this pose for up to a minute and release with an exhale. Baddha Konasana or butterfly pose. This has a soothing effect on intestinal walls and blood circulation. It also enhances the body's capabilities of digesting food. Through better digestion, this pose aids your body in different ways like relieving constipation, better elimination of body waste, and better nutrients absorption. Hold with the pose for as long as you need to and transition into Sukhasana to release. Savasana. Savasana is a great balancer in terms of our nervous system as it is designed to regulate and help remodel your body. This asana warms the body and provides a necessary counterpoint to the effort you put forth during asana practice. You may also practice Savasana at home before sleeping as a way to quiet your mind and get more restful sleep. These were 5 poses that will help you overcome any kind of addiction. Repeating positive affirmations along with the practice of these poses can also largely assist in the process of overcoming addiction.